Obila ma pacho ka kotelnegi kod jolupo gai mag obila Eliud Lagat kod Gilbert Masengeli ne ochiwo maua ne jopiny e boma ma Nairobi ma dhialo odiechieng' hera. Jotend obilago nowacho ni okang' makama en mar kelo bedo makare e kind obila kod jopiny. Jotelogo bende nojiwo jopiny mondo oriw obila lwedo e keto kwe e pacho ka.
Today we decided that we join other Kenyans in celebrating this day by sharing flowers just to express the love and care the National Police Service have for our people. We are delighted that today, this morning, here in Nairobi, we were able to interact with the members of the public. That's to make sure that they also see us on the other, the other hand, the other way of life that we also have a feeling for them.
And to say, unlike those old days when you could see a police officer, people run away. You ask your colleague, why are you running? Then they say, police. You join the running. But at the end of the day, that was police brutality. Today, they are our brothers, our sisters, our friends, our husbands, our wives, our daughters. So ours is just to extend to the members of the public that we pray for you guys. Always remember and care for your neighbor as you could care for yourself, and we live in harmony.